Okay, so Elon just tweeted the Flamethrower is on sale. So we're going to buy that right now. I'm going to do it this way so I can post it quick. I'm going to buy a Flamethrower. That's kind of stupid, but it's $500. Can pre-order it. It says it's guaranteed to liven every party. Well, we're going to have to party if I get a Flamethrower, so check that out. It says fire extinguishers sold separately. But I guess I should buy some of those. Taxes and shipping added at checkout. Customs fees. I don't know how you can buy one, because I thought they were illegal, but YOLO. Oh, you can buy a fire extinguisher too for $30. So we'll buy that too, I guess. So let's add that. Let's add a fire extinguisher. Let's watch the video. That's pretty badass. Okay, so let's check out. Total $530. Pops up this little payment thing. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going to drag that off the screen to enter in my email and everything. I'm going to blur this out so you don't see that. Bingo. That's all my info. Save it for next time? Yeah, sure. Puppies are playing, sorry. Payment oh, UPS ground is 3 business days, $26. Overnight's $160. I think we'll just go 3 business days. That's sufficient for me. Continue to payment method. I'm going to try to keep all this off camera here. Okay, same as shipping address. Okay, here it says processing. Thank you. Woohoo! So I went ahead and ordered the Flamethrower and the extinguisher because you really should get this with this. Just saying. There's who's making all that racket. Puppy playtime. I start shipping in the spring. Okay, well when it ships, we're definitely going to have some fun with this. Oh boy, that's pretty cool. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty excited. May not be used on Boring Company decorative lacquered hay bales or Boring Company dockside musician's warehouse. Okay. Okay. It says buy an overpriced Boring Company fire extinguisher. You can definitely buy one for less elsewhere, but this one comes with a cool sticker and the button is conveniently right above. Well, I fell for that one. So I know there's 2 states in the US that you can't legally own one. That's going to be California and Maryland. But I don't know if this technically classifies as a flamethrower because it doesn't like shoot it. I don't know. Maybe it'll be classified as a giant lighter. But I'll go ahead and show you, like, let me cover up other stuff. I was legit charged already. So the charge went through. That's crazy. So, boom. There we go. I can't wait to see this. I'm super excited. We saw it before and I really wanted to buy one. It's looking like I'm the proud new owner of a Flamethrower. Definitely going to be mounting that on the wall when I'm not using it. Curious to know like the propellant and everything. I assume I'll learn that in the future. Maybe there's a frequently asked questions. Let's look at it. No, that's all just about Boring Company. Either way, super excited. Definitely thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new here because we do crazy stuff like this. And pretty much buy anything Elon's made. Getting pretty close. Now let me know in the comment section below what you think about this Flamethrower. Did you buy one? Or do you just want to see me just like roast a bunch of stuff? I'll make sure I can get proper approval. Maybe I'll contact my local fire department and see if I can use one of their training grounds. And we can have some fun with this. Can't really wait though. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and are buying one. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.